Rohit, what's your headline takeaway here?
The headline takeaway is everything is good at Amazon. They are investing from a position of strength. They think these are unprecedented times, and unprecedented times bring in what they do best, investing over the longer term. So all the profits that they would have otherwise made under normal circumstances, they are going to flow all of that into investments for the virus. So $4 billion of incremental investments. So that's, I believe, a positive long-term sign for investors. But near-term, the profits would be depressed.
So let's talk a little bit about profit. I mean, Amazon has always had slim margins, but does profit getting and the margins getting even tighter, does that concern you?
Not in the near term. I think the bigger question here is, does Amazon think there is something structural going on? Is there something that is permanent behavior change or permanent change in their cost structure as a result of what the world is going through right now? I think that's the big question mark, in my opinion. I think what Amazon is doing is right for consumers, and what's right for consumers is going to be right for investors over the longer term. But I think that's the bigger question, that is this permanent or is this something that Amazon feels that would fade over time, and longer term, everybody wins.
What's your take on the workplace and safety issues? I mean, obviously, there's still a lot of demand for Amazon products. It's been essential in getting us the stuff we need while we've all been shut in. And yet you've got all of this sort of negative publicity driven by worker protests happening across the country. There's the concern with multiple workers at different warehouses across the country testing positive for the coronavirus. And obviously, Amazon has said it's doing everything it can to make sure these workers are socially distancing and take various safety precautions. But how much of a risk is that to the business, that them getting us our stuff on time depends on these workers all being together in these warehouses?
I think that's a very legitimate concern, and I think when they are hiring more than 175,000 people in a matter of 6 weeks, they need to make sure that the safety, security, and the health of all these workers is maintained. And I think that's what they are thinking about doing. What can they do to ensure that? And $4 billion is probably the early answer to that, which is the incremental profit that they are going to plow into this. So we will see whether that is something that is a long-term fix or a near-term fix. But I think it is going to cost more money for Amazon, and that's what they're going to do. Spend more to ensure that all the ecosystem stakeholders, the workers, the distribution center employees, the contractors, feel safe, feel healthy, and they return to work and get all our packages on time.